you understand?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rianne, and today we're going to be doing a little thrift haul. So if you want to stick along, let's go. Okay, so we are in the car. We are about to go hit up America's Thrift. They have a whole bunch of things there, so let's just see what we find. Okay, so we stopped and got some scooters. If y'all haven't heard of scooters, you guys most definitely need to check them out if they are in your area. All I hear is Starbucks and Dunkin', but scooters is where it's at. They're my size. Okay, so first store was a success. I found like 2 pairs of shoes that I really liked and some pants. I've been recently finding a lot of shoes at thrift stores. I don't know what the heck is up with that, but like literally I've been finding them in the showcase. So I don't know what's up with that, but like if you're ever at the thrift store and you're looking, make sure that you check the showcases because there's stuff in there most of the time. Okay, so quick tip for whenever you are thrift shopping, just make sure that if it's over the price range of 20 to like 25 bucks and you're getting like a pair of shoes, just make sure that you actually do your research and Google the shoes and make sure that they're worth your money. A lot of the times you can end up getting something and it's not really worth anything. You know, if you like it, you know, go ahead and get it. But, you know, that's just my recommendation. You can always check the tongue of any shoes if you don't know which brand they are or, you know, like what year they are or any of that. You can literally check the tongue and it'll have a code in there that you can Google. And then the shoe should pop up. Some of them even have barcodes, but just make sure that you do your research before buying. Okay, so second thrift store was a bust. There were a few things that I was looking at maybe getting, but like for the price, I'd rather go to Park Ave or like Value Village or something of the sort where I can get something for $3 because I just can't bring myself to spend over $6 on an item at the thrift store. Like I'm just not gonna do it. But we're about to head to our next location. It's about 15 minutes away, so yeah, peace out. Okay, so this thrift store was also a bust. My boyfriend ended up finding some shorts, but I didn't find anything. But you know, it just kind of comes with the territory. Sometimes you find things, sometimes you don't. But you know, you gotta kind of savor the things that you do find, and you know, take it with a grain of salt. If I didn't come, I wouldn't have found what I did find, or what I did find. What I did found. Okay, it's getting late, so I'm gonna head home and then I'm gonna show you everything that I got. All right, till then, peace. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the big reveal of what we got going to 3 different thrift stores. Okay, so we got some Reebok shoes. I was actually really surprised that these were in my size, and they're actually in really pretty good condition. Anybody who knows me knows that I have like a Reebok collection. So those are a really good addition to what I already have. These are actually in my size as well. Let's see, I got them for $29.99. The retail price on these is $120. I believe that these are the Air Max 98s. And they're actually in really good condition. They're a size 7 youth, which is my size. And yeah, As you can see, they got like a little scratch here. They've got all of these colors on them. Bottom's pretty clean. Like, you can tell that whoever had these didn't really wear them like that. They have like the multicolored tips, and I saw these and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get those. And then when I looked them up, I saw that they were over $100 value. So this was a steal, like literally a steal. I go to the thrift store for finds like these, like. And then I also got these pants. You'll see in the try on portion like how they look, but they are basically, you know, mustard colored, and then they're wide legged. I really love wide leg pants. You know, they're really easy to mix and match, and you know, you can pair it with a button up, you can pair it with like a crop top, you know, anything of the sort. And then I also ended up getting pants right here, and they're also kind of like the same ordeal. They have like the little belt loop here. It's not really as wide-legged, but I felt like these would be really good for work. I got all of those ones from the first thrift store. I got those ones from America's Thrift. And I also found these, which was a really good find. They're Tommy Hilfiger shorts. They're not mine. I found them for my boyfriend, but I just felt like those were a really good find. But yeah, so that's pretty much everything that I got today. Normally, if I go to more thrift stores, I end up getting more. So this time, it's a little bit of a smaller thrift haul, but you know, you win some and you lose some. Okay, so that is it for this thrift haul slash thrift with me. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe and like and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my new uploads. All right, until next time, babies. Peace.